In this video, we will see how to run a HTML file in Visual Studio Code. So first of all, we will see how to install Visual Studio Code. So download Visual Studio Code for Windows. So from here we can download the Visual Studio Code software. Once it will be downloaded, then we'll go back. I have already installed this Visual Studio Code. So for writing your first HTML code, I will go to File, New File. So I will save this file as first.html. Save it. Then I will write the document for it, followed by the HTML tag, then body, head. Inside head, I will give a title, first web page. I'll write a body tag. Inside body, I will write one heading tag, that is h1. Here I will write my first web page, and then I'll write some paragraph here. So paragraph is denoted by p tag here. So every tag is having one opening tag and one closing tag. So this one is the opening tag and this one is the closing tag. Inside this, I will write some paragraph here. I will open a Wikipedia here and I will copy paste this line. I will paste it here. I'll choose another paragraph here. I'll just remove it. I'll just remove it and I'll search for another paragraph. Let's see. I want to copy this as a paragraph. So I have copied all the statement here. Now this is the paragraph, and we will see how to run this code in Visual Studio Code. So there is one run code. So to execute this code in Visual Studio, we will go for a shortcut, that is Alt V. Alt V. So this one is our output. This one is the heading tag and this one is the paragraph tag. And there is another way of doing this is just right click and then go to this one, yeah, open in default browser, Alt V. So your page will be displayed in the web browser. That's it. Thank you guys.